All right, guys, we got a 2015 GMC Sierra SLT 5.3 liter. This is what it sounds like before. There's idle, very quiet. Way too quiet. You can't even hear it. Again. There's sound decibels. That's idle, 68. So it's about 87 once you rev it. So it's really, really quiet. See, you can't even hear it when it's idling. So this one comes with a resonator, guys, right here, as you guys can see, and then a stock muffler up here. So we're gonna cut this muffler off and install a 401158 Borla XR1 in the place of this one. And you guys always want to take this valve out because you see how he has it zip ties on it or hose clamps on it because it rattled. So they all do it. So make sure you always get them cut off when you do any kind of exhaust modification on it. But we're gonna keep this resonator on it. He didn't want it too loud. We're gonna replace this little piece of pipe here with this nice stainless steel roll tip 4-inch right there. So stay tuned, guys. We'll let you guys hear it after. All right, guys, 2015 GMC Sierra Z71 SLT edition, 5.3 liter V8. It's got, oh, I like those aftermarket lights. They're made by XREX. They're cool looking. I like them. Let's see what they look like from the front. Interesting. Anyways, let me show you guys what we did. Converter up there. Another one up there. Third one there. Flex pipe. Then what we did is put a Borla Touring, part number 401158. This sucker's huge. It's massive. Look at this thing. Wow. 24 inches long. Wow. See it? Borla Touring edition. And then we left the resonator on it for now. He might change it after we start it up. We'll see. And then finished it off with a nice 4-inch roll tip. Just nice and clean, nothing crazy. And there's the muffler that was on it that we cut off right there. And it's still got the valve on it, as you guys can see. He took some hose clamps and clamped it down because it was rattling. So anytime on these trucks, guys, if you hear a rattle in the exhaust, most of the time it's that exhaust clamp. They put a valve in there and it rattles really bad. You can see it right there. So he's got it tied where it's open. That literally gave him more power now. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always, like, comment, hit that subscribe. If you don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. So come on down if you're in the area. Borla Touring. Look how quiet it is at idle there. It's still way too quiet. That resonator's got to go. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 86. It kind of sounds like it made it quieter. I don't know. It's got a little bit deeper tone to it now. What do you guys think? Huh. It's really quiet at idle. That's crazy. Look at idle. You don't even hear it. There's no noise. Then give it gas. Let me grab him. We might take the resonator off, guys. They're gonna stick with it for now. They're gonna try it out for a week and we will see. I think he's gonna come back and take it off. Tip looks good on it though. It needed that.
Yeah.
Let you guys hear on the inside. There's idle, very quiet. Way too quiet. You can't even hear it. Again. There's sound decibels. That's idle, 68. So it's about 87 once you rev it. Borla touring. Look how quiet it is at idle now. It's still way too quiet. That resonator's got to go. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 86. And kind of sounds like it made it quieter. I don't know. Yeah, it's got a little bit deeper tone to it now. What do you guys think? Huh. Really quiet at idle. I'm surprised. God, it's too big of a muffler for this truck. I think if we take the resonator off, I think it'll be a lot better. He's gonna bring it back, he says, but he's got family with him now, so I don't know, I understand. Yeah, it's way too quiet. He'll be back, I promise. See you guys. Enjoy.